solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode is about determined single Filipino moms and their wisdom, advising their daughters to learn from their mistakes and make a better future. Her plea is to choose education over my mistakes. There's a quiet battle happening in so many Filipino homes. Not about money, not about roles, but about destiny. Single Filipino moms across the country are fighting with everything they have not just to feed and raise their daughters, but to teach them this painful truth. Don't be like me. Don't fall too fast, too young. Don't mistake attention for love. Don't sacrifice your dreams for someone who won't ever remember your birthday next year. These women are not bitter. They are brave, and their message is loud and clear. Choose education. Choose career. Don't choose men too soon. These mothers aren't quoting textbooks. They're telling their truth. Many were teenage moms. Many gave up college. Some never even had the chance to try. And now they're the ones working double shifts, selling online, cleaning homes, or working abroad just to send their daughters to school. Not because it's easy, but because they want their girls to have a choice they never did. They want their daughter to walk that graduation stage, not down the aisles before 20. This isn't out hating men or motherhood, it's about timing. These moms want their daughters to build themselves first. So when they do choose love or marriage, it's from a place of strength, not survival. Don't trust a man who distracts you from your dreams. Don't depend on someone for rent money. Be the one who pays the rent. If he loves you, he'll wait until you've built your future. This is the modern Filipino mothering style. Part taught love, part cheerleader, part personal warning level. A Filipina single mom knows the cycle of young people love pregnancy and drop out with financial struggles and heartbreak. She is doing everything she can to break it and the cycle. She reminds her daughter that you are not just a pretty face, you're a future professional, a boss, a woman with purpose. These moms know what it's like to beg for diapers. They know the pain of watching their youth pass by while caring for babies, struggling with an absent partner, or facing judgment from society. So they use their experiences as a shield for their daughters, teaching them that love is wonderful, but it shouldn't come at the cost of dignity or self-reliance. The ultimate victory is seeing her graduate. For many single moms, the dream isn't just about money or a better home. It's about this moment. Their daughter, standing in her graduation gown, holding her diploma, beaming with pride. No baby bump, no broken promises, just potential that's realized. That moment is everything. It means the sacrifices were worth it. It means the pain turned into power. This is love in its strongest form. So next time you see a single Filipino mom walking her daughter to school in the rain, holding packed lunch and notebooks, know this. You're witnessing a revolution. She's not just raising a child, she's raising a different future. One where her daughter chooses education, ambition, and self-worth over fleeting moments. So every Filipina daughter out there, listen to your mom. She's not trying to control you. She's trying to save you from the same tears she's cried alone. And so every single mom, you are not feeling. You're fighting and whining in the most powerful way possible. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.